Good morning! Welcome back to our vlog of our baby moon. We are finally now in SF after a few days of our road trip from Seattle, and we're about to go see my sister, my brother-in-law, and my niece, and we're gonna do a day trip to Half Moon Bay. This is the first time that I'm seeing my sister since we both got pregnant, so we're both expecting at the end of March, and I'm super excited to see her because, yeah, a lot has changed in the past 7-ish months, and looking forward to it.
There's a mirror. There's a little closet. Oh, we got slippers. That's good. There's a nice big bed. Little office area. Little lounge chair. Come on, check out the bathroom. Sink, shower, and check out the beautiful view.
Good morning! It's Tuesday, December 30th. This is our second full day now in SF. We are about to go to a coffee shop called Andytown Coffee Roasters. I had it pinned on my Google Maps, so we'll check it out, get some coffee and breakfast with one of Lawson's friends called Danny, and then head out to Point Reyes with Angie, Charles, and Celine. It's New Year's Eve today, and this morning it's just me. Lawson is working at the hotel right now. We'll be heading out around 11 to meet up with my sister and brother-in-law to check out a restaurant called Laundromat. So while I have a few hours of downtime, I decided to come check out the famous salt bread shop in SF called Paper Sun. It's in Fidei, and I've been craving salt bread in Seattle, but they're always a couple hours long of a wait. the 10 p.m. Punchline Comedy stand-up show. It's gonna hit New Year's at the end of the show, but we're gonna try to see some fireworks. But it's so cute, everyone's wearing New Year's decor. Happy New Year! It's 2026!
2026. Big year for us. Lily and Josie are coming to join the family.